Top 7 Best Rolling Backpack in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Netpack Standalone 35 Two-Wheel Travel Duffel. Need something a bit more spacious? Check out this rolling duffel bag from Netpack. You'll have plenty of packing room in the main compartment, not to mention the 4 side pockets. The durable outer material is laminated for moisture resistance, and a thermoplastic frame helps it stand up straight without support. Ball-bearing wheels and a grip telescope handle make this versatile luggage easy to tote around too. Number 6. Swiss Army Victorinox VX Sport Wheeled Cadet Backpack. If you've got a trip coming up, you might consider getting this rolling backpack from Swiss Army. The Victorinox is an easy choice with an affordable price point and quality, says travel expert Sarah Dandish of Ask the Concierge. Its look is a little more rugged, but you can never go wrong with anything Victorinox. This pick is spacious, but still compact enough to pass as a carry-on for air travel. Also, it has a padded laptop sleeve, an electronics pocket, and zip-away shoulder straps for ultimate convenience and versatility. Number 5. J-World Sunrise 18 Rolling Backpack. The J-World Sunrise is an excellent option for school-aged children 8 and up. It comes in several kid-friendly prints, like strawberries, colorful dots, and owls, as well as some simpler hues. Air mesh cushioned shoulder straps make it comfy to carry, while a push-button handle and smooth wheels allow kiddos to roll it around with ease. We also like that it has a mesh water bottle pocket, a key fob, and a pencil holder. Number 4. Matein Waterproof Rolling Backpack. If you reside in a rainy climate or are planning to visit one, this rolling backpack from Matein has your name on it. The outer material is water resistant and the bottom panel is completely waterproof. It's on the smaller side, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in features. This wheelable pack has a roomy main compartment, a built-in sleeve for laptops under 16 inches, a zippered file holder, and a separate multi-pocket compartment for organizing all your smaller items. Number 3. Targus Compact Rolling Business and Travel Commuter Backpack. Targus Compact Rolling Business and Travel Commuter Backpack is a great lightweight and reliable pack, versatile enough for everyday use that's also durable enough for travel. It features a large, main zippered compartment with a fully padded interior sleeve designed to fit laptops up to 16 inches and 2 mesh pockets on either side of the exterior. Made with durable polyester and a soft-touch neoprene carrying top handle, it's resistant to wear and tear and includes quiet roller wheels for a smooth commute. Its retractable handle is easy to use, and the optional tuck-away shoulder straps convert it into a traditional backpack when needed. The best part: an optional extended compartment for when you need to pack a little heavier. Number 2. Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack. The wallet-friendly Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack is an excellent choice for adults and kids alike. Note that it's slightly smaller than average, but the compact design makes it all the more portable. This backpack suitcase combo is made of durable polyester with a plastic stand and a metal telescoping handle. It comes in a handful of colors and patterns, including sophisticated neutrals, polka dots, and leopard print. Number 1. L.L. Bean Rolling Deluxe Book Pack. For the best in quality, performance, and aesthetics, the winner is without a doubt made by L.L. Bean. All of L.L. Bean's products are made in the USA and are built to last. Most traditional backpacks are made of polyester, which is durable but cheap. This is not the case with L.L. Bean's Deluxe Book Pack. Featuring a waterproof 420D nylon, this pack uses a fabrication that was originally designed for military parachutes. Slightly larger than most standard rolling backpacks, this pack has a 35-liter capacity, so it's great for kids looking for a pack they can grow into and keep for years to come. The pull handle can be conveniently tucked into the unit or locked into place at 2 different heights. There are also well-padded shoulder straps in case it needs to be carried from time to time. The bag has 2 main compartments and an organizer for laptop storage, plus 2 mesh water bottle sleeves on the sides. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best rolling backpack in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.